guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, y'all, I'm going to be trying out a new product. Yes, a new product. I know that I've said in previous videos that I was trying to use my stash and not buy any new products, but this was an exception because Pattern Beauty has come out with yet another new product, and I was super duper excited about this. I love Pattern Beauty products. By the way, I have a lot of videos on my channel with, my thoughts and everything about the products that they have released. So the product that I'm going to be reviewing today is their new Detangling Nectar, which is for separating and softening your hair. So this is what the packaging looks like, and as you can see, it is the signature Pattern logo. So the product does not say specifically that it is a Pre-Poo, only that it can be used to separate your curls and help to detangle them. You can use it on wet or dry hair, but I am going to be using it as a Pre-Poo, and I'm going to be doing a battle in this video between this Detangling Nectar here, as well as one of the natural hair community's favorite Pre-Poo by Nature's Little Secret. It is their FENUGREEk Detangling Pre-Poo here. This stuff is awesome, and I think this runs about, $17 or $18, and this Detangling Nectar costs $25. So I kind of consider them both like high end. I just basically want to see which one I like better and how they just stack up against each other, since they are on the higher end as far as cost goes. So my hair, as you can see, is a hot mess, y'all. And I really don't like putting my hair in top buns anymore when it's time to do my hair, but sometimes I just gotta do it. So I'm just going to take this down and just let you guys see like how tangled, dry, and somewhat matted in the back hair looks like, and I think that this would be a perfect test to see which product performs the best, or if they perform the same, or just, I just want to see. So I am just basically going to split my hair down the middle, and I'm going to use Nature's Little Secret on this side, and I'm going to use the Pattern Detangling Nectar on this side. And I do have my water bottle here. I'm gonna first start off on dry hair just to see how it will perform, and if I need to add water, I will. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn around so y'all can see what my hair looks like in the back. Terrible, right? Okay, so what we are going to do is, I guess I am going to start in the back, since that is the worst part. I'm gonna put it in 4 sections. Okay, so we're first going to start off with the Detangling Nectar here, and this is a whopping 12 fluid ounces. Let's just go ahead and twist this cap so we can see what this nectar looks like. And when I'm shaking it in the bottle, like, if it is liquid-like, but it feels like a thick liquid. So let's see, this is how it comes out. So it does look like your typical snotty like Pre-Poo. Has a little stickiness to it. And the smell is kind of similar to all the other products in the line, maybe just a tad bit stronger. So let's go ahead and apply this on this section. Alright, so I'm adding it and it is absorbing into my strands pretty nicely, but definitely gonna need some more, especially since I'm using it on my dry hair. But it does have that shine to it. But as I am rubbing it in, like, that did do something. But like I said, I'm gonna go in with some more. I'm just kind of just splitting my hair apart, making sure I'm getting every single strand in that section and not just the ones like on top. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to this bottom section right here and see what it, ooh, do y'all see how that is like pulling apart? It's pulling apart pretty easily. But there are still tangles. Alright, so like I said, we're gonna go ahead and get this bottom section right here, because when I wear my hair in buns, that part back there seems to get the most matted and tangled. So let's just clip this away. Alright, so there we go. Alright, so let's go in with another pump. That right there. Okay, so with me just finger detangling this nectar into my hair, like, I think it really does melt the tangles away. As you can see, there are still tangles. It is coating my strands really good though, making it easy for me to finger detangle. Instead of me adding more of the detangling nectar, I prefer to add more water instead of more product, just because I don't want to like use the whole bottle on this one section. So let me go ahead and get some water and add to this section. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now that's slippery. So you definitely want to add at least just a little bit of water, because you know my fingers are moving like really fast through that section now. So I'm just going to go in with my detangling brush and get this section together. Okay, so now that this section is fully detangled, I'm going to go ahead and finish detangling the other half of my hair with the detangling nectar, and I'm going to time it and just see how long it takes for me to actually detangle each section. So I'm just going to go ahead and start my little stopwatch here, and we're going to go ahead and see how long each side takes. So let's go ahead and do the detangling nectar side. y'all. So that right there took a whopping 2 minutes. That one section. Once I added that water and then added the detangling nectar, like, that was 2 minutes. That is impressive. Okay, so let me go ahead and I'm gonna start it back, and I'm gonna get ready and finish up this section here. Okay, y'all, I am done with this section, and that took 6 minutes and 19 seconds for this side here. Now, that was pretty impressive, if I might say, because I sprayed water on it, right? Of course, you saw. And I feel like I didn't spray that much, but I did make sure that section was saturated. And then when I added the nectar, I added about maybe 3 pumps of it, and I was already ready to detangle my hair. And y'all saw how matted and tangled it was. That was an old wash and go. So y'all saw that, right? And we are gonna start with the Nature's Little Secret side. So like I said, this side took 6 minutes and 19 seconds. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're gonna go ahead and test out the Nature's Little Secret side, and we're going to get some of this. This is how much I have right here. No. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get that up. Okay, so with that amount that I have added to my section, it basically just moistened my hair, but it didn't really do much detangling. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let's get this bottom portion here like I did on the other side. As you can see, it is really tangled back there. I'm just gonna spread that apart and clip this up here. And let's go ahead and add some more of the Nature's Little Secret Pre-Poo. Go in with this much here. Okay, with that amount, as I am adding it to this section, it is allowing me to finger detangle that section really good. These curls get really tangled back there. That's why I try not to put my hair up in a bun like I was saying in the beginning, because this is how my hair gets tangled the most. Yeah, I don't like that. So this is what it is looking like, y'all. Yeah, I feel like I'm having a little bit more trouble detangling this side with the Nature's Little Secret Pre-Poo without the water. All right, so let's add some water to this part right here. So the water definitely is helping, which that is not a surprise because when you add water, it's going to automatically add more slip. And I will say that when I added water to this section, I did get more slip with this one as well. But I will say not as much slip as I did on the pattern side. So let's just go in with the brush. Okay, so that section is fully detangled, and as y'all saw, I had to do a little extra work with this one. So I'm gonna do the same thing like I did on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and take this section down. I'm gonna spray water on it, and then I'm gonna add more of the Nature's Little Secret Pre-Poo and see how long that section takes. Remember with the pattern Detangling Nectar, it took this section right here on the other side, it took 2 minutes. So let's just go ahead and spray some water. And we are going to go ahead and set our timer. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm going to reset this one. Okay, timer is reset. Let's go ahead and start. So as you can see, this took about 2 minutes and like 13 or 14 seconds, just to account for the time that it took me to press play on my Netflix show and actually pick the phone up to stop the timer. So we're gonna say 2 minutes and 13 or 14 seconds, which is also not bad. I can't remember the exact seconds I said for the Detangling Nectar, but to be honest with you, it's neck and neck. But I really do think that the Pattern Beauty Detangling Nectar did a little bit better than the FENUGREEk Pre-Poo. Not taking anything away from Nature's Little Secret Pre-Poo, but I'm just, stating the facts that Detangling Nectar took a little bit less seconds to detangle my hair. We are going to go ahead and spray this section with water, and then we're going to start our timer and see how long it takes for me to finish detangling the rest of this and putting it in a twist like this. All right, so let's go ahead and press start. this is 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Let me stop it right there. But I'm gonna say 6 minutes and 5 seconds. So it actually took less time. Once I got this section back here detangled, it actually took less time for me to do the whole section, because remember the detangling nectar took 6 minutes and 19 seconds. So it's a close race, y'all, but I will say that they both did a really good job in detangling my hair really quickly. I will say though that the detangling nectar made my hair feel more moisturized, and I was able to use the detangling brush like on my scalp to detangle my strands near my scalp easier than I did with the Nature's Little Secret FENUGREEk Pre-Poo. So I believe that both of these detangling products are really good. They did the job, and using both of them in detangling my hair, which was super duper tangled, it was a very old wash and go. To say that it only took me about 15 minutes to detangle all of that says a lot about these products. So if I had to choose a winner, because this is a battle, I would choose the detangling nectar. I feel that I was able to easily detangle my hair with the detangling brush a little bit better than I did with the Nature's Little Secret side. But I'm not taking anything away from Nature's Little Secret's Pre-Poo, because it is a really good one. I would definitely also say that spraying water on my hair before using these detangling products made it much easier for me to detangle my hair, and I recommend that anyway because it will keep you from using up a lot of the product. Like I said earlier, this product cost me $25, but with the amount that I use, like, it still feels like I did not use much of the product at all, and I feel like this would last me a really long time. And the same for the Nature's Little Secret Pre-Poo. I feel though, even though I did add water on that section, I feel like I still had to use a little bit more than I wanted to. So that is pretty much it for this video. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts about this battle, and if you could see which was a clear winner. And also, if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so before you go. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.